Integrity is what God knows about you. You're not getting me. When people talk about popularity, it comes from what people know about you. But when it comes to integrity, it's all about what I know and what God knows. If God knows the intents of my heart, the intentions that I have, why am I doing this? Why do I preach here? When God knows it, you're safe. Now I don't suffer from approval addiction. I don't care what you think. I can speak about politics and don't fear you. I can say anything I like. Yeah. And after I leave, you say, prophet, you said that thing again. Hey, today. Even me, I get shocked when they show me, say, hey, there's something you said here. And they are saying, I say, well, I spoke that. Are you getting this? This is why I love Donald Trump. He will say what he feels right there. Oh, no, he doesn't act like a president. Are you crazy? You want to be lied to? We need to see what these people are thinking. And most of them just go by what their PR say. Their public relations manager says, Mr. President, you should not say this, say this. When you go on the stage, say A, B, C, so that they think this. So, okay. Trump. Whatever comes to his mind, no filter, yes. Whatever comes to his mind, he speaks it. And you can see people melting down in anger. Hey, he has embarrassed America. Embarrassed more than a president who was falling over. Didn't even know where he was. Even the day he introduced Zelenskyy, you know what he said? He said, a man determined, not word for word, a man determined, interested in the peace. I welcome President Putin, Zelenskyy. And Zelenskyy knew this Putin is me. How can it be more embarrassing? You need people that are pure of heart. At least if he's not pure at heart as a Trump, at least I can know what his heart is saying.
Good News World with Uebert Angel, provoking a reaction and always worth hearing.